It's cold in Northumberland this time of year. The wind whips in from the North Sea, foam-flecked and briny. We get around 7 hours of daylight, and even then the light can be peculiar, subdued, aqueous yet soft and subtly intriguing. The countryside feels flat in colour, shadowless and slumbering under the still massive skies. The roads are slick, with a mixture of salt, mud and oil, blended with hydroscopically sourced moisture into a never-drying, ferrous-killing, cold black soup. It is not a time for violent acceleration or the slice of knife-edge cornering. Perhaps we should stay indoors, set aside a store of nuts and beer and sleep until spring. No, there is still so much to see, do and experience.
Open land, falling trees, nests made as
So yes, there's so much to do, and it's great doing it on the Dominator. I mean, this is a bike which transcends its pretty mediocre spec sheet. I mean, forget about power, it can just about pull the skin off a rice pudding. But what this bike is about is that it's playful, it's simple, it's robust, and with the near mythical Continental TKC80s fitted, it can pretty much take me anywhere, although you still have to be pretty careful and considered and not go crazy. I mean, the suspension, isn't brilliant, but now I can go onto mud and just have a fabulous time. As you can see though, the UK winter sludge has really taken its toll. I mean, that used to be a gold link chain, and look at the state of it, it's absolutely horrible. Now I don't have a garage, or rather what I do have is a storage space which has no electricity, no light, and it's absolutely bloody freezing this time of year, so I can't really do any maintenance. However, I've had a special dispensation to bring the bike indoors and give it a good old clean and a bit of a service. So what you see now is the bike after about 3 days of work. So the brakes have been cleaned, they've been serviced, the chain has been cleaned the old-fashioned way, using paraffin. And to be honest with you, now that I've cleaned the chain and removed about sort of 4 kilos of sludgy, horrible grinding paste, I don't think I'm ever going to go back to chain lube ever again. And of course, as you can see, I've done the bodywork, which has come up an absolute treat, and it's so nice and so clean and shiny now, I feel as though I can wear my favourite shoes. So in the last few minutes of this video, what I'm going to do is just stop talking, leave you with some very nice cinematic shots of the motorbike, of the Honda Dominator, in some fabulous places in Northumberland, and the only soundtrack is going to be the sound of the engine. Hope you enjoy it. Cheery bye.